Our friends at Hunkydory have been at it again. This time, Rose Quartz Dreams is the title of this gorgeous collection. Now, let me just scoot some of these aside and show you what this is all about. So I'm going to start with the Shimmering Silk collection. Doesn't that sound wonderful? With the Luxury Topper collection. So this, as you would assume, is going to have the sheets that are foiled and die cut, which is what Hunkydory is known for. You're going to be two of each sheet that I'm going to show you for a total of 112 foiled die cuts. And every sheet will have a foiled adorable scoreable, as you can see, and it will also have a printed one. Now again, you're going to get two of every single thing I'm showing you. This one also, and you can see the foiling on the edges, oh so pretty, and then there is the printed cardstock. The next one has the roses, as you would expect, and the rose quartz. It's got silver foiling, just really shiny and pretty, and on the foiled adorable scoreable. And here is the printed that matches that. And then here is the last one, and you can see those beautiful swans and the foiling and the printed. In addition, inside the package, there is an idea sheet to give you lots of ideas and hints and tips, and it looks like that. So you get not only everything right here, but you also get ideas to jumpstart your creativity, as we like to say. Now, in addition, there's also a package of inserts, and the inserts are the artwork that's ghosted back, and we like to use this not only for the inside of cards but also for the outside of cards. It just gives everything double duty. Now you're going to get 36 sheets, so you're going to get 3 of each one that I'm showing you, and you can really see what I mean by the fact that they're ghosted back. So it is the same matching artwork, but the ghosting back lets it become less important and yet still become an embellishment for your card, inside or outside, or tags or anything else that you want to do. But I love to show you each of these. And again, you're going to get 3 of each one. There's a total of 12 designs. And hopefully I have shown you each of them and they haven't stuck together. Okay, so there's the inserts. Now we also have some 8x8 artwork, and this paper pad has 48 sheets in it. Let me show you each one. You're going to get 4 of each of the 12 I'm going to show you. So here you go. Now these are double-sided, so you actually get kind of more bang for your buck, and that's really nice to have. Again, the artwork is going to match. I guess I should show you the other side a little more carefully, shouldn't I? So here we go. Really pretty artwork. Again, you can use it however you like, and it's going to give you just more. I like the light weight of the papers. It just is very useful, and you can fold over the corners. You can do some lots of different techniques with that. So there are the 12. Again, you're going to get 4 of each one. So this is the 8x8 size. In addition, in fact, I'm going to be saying that a couple more times, there's also one of my favorites, which is the foiled acetate. Now, in this one, you're going to get 4 each of 4 designs. So you're going to get a total of 16 sheets. And let me show them to you individually. So again, the silver foiling is showing, makes it really easy to make shaker cards. But I love some of the ideas that both Teresa and Heidi have done of layering them over your papers. There's a beautiful, isn't that just rich and luscious? And then we have an all over one. So let me lift this so you can really see it, that diamond all over. So again, you're going to get 4 of each of those. And no, I'm not quite done. We also have, in addition to that 8x8 collection, we have this one. Now it's 4 3/4 inches square. This is a honkin' big one. There are a total of 150 sheets in here. And with each of these sheets, you're going to get 6 copies. We'll get in just a tad closer so you can see them, because they are a little bit smaller, which is exactly what they're supposed to be. And here we go. So I'm going to show you, they are single-sided, as you can see. You're going to get greetings, which is really nice. And don't you think it's fun that all of these things will interplay with each other? So you'll have just lots of opportunities to jumpstart your creativity. Butterflies, flowers, greetings, swans, the shoes as well as the dresses, and some masks. Okay, there we go. As I said, they're swans. I saw a cartoon that said the swans were saying, let's stay like this because the humans really like it when we do that. Sorry, I just couldn't resist sharing that with you. Happiness blooms from within. Just some really nice artwork. So with all of this, you can do so many different things and not be at a loss for any of the materials you're going to need. Now there is one more thing. So that's the 25. And we'll put it right here with this. There is one more, and this is what Hunkydory calls a concept card. Now these are A4 sheets. They are, it gives you the ability to make 8 cards. There's going to be 2 each of 4 different styles. You can see right here, so you've got a paper toll style easel card, so that's been layered up above, and that's why you need so many of those foiled pieces. So you'll be able to make those. There are also, whoops, there's the item number. There's also step-by-step photographs. You'll see exactly how to make them. Gives you a nice close look at all 4 of the styles that you'll be able to do, and it just is a really elegant way, I would say, to make an easel card. You get so many pieces. So this is also available. So rose quartz concept card, 4 3/4 inch square. We have the foiled acetate, as well as the 8x8 papers, as well as the inserts, and the star of the show, the rose quartz topper kit, all from our friends at Hunkydory.